This is my absolutely gorgeous 99 Harley Davidson Heritage Springer. They made these types of bikes from 97 to 03. They're classics, they're collectible. It's got the beautiful Springer front end on it. The clock says 18,000 miles on it. Brand new motor with 0 miles. Rebuilt motor. The motor's had some enhancements, and you'll see the build sheet. I just can't say enough about these bikes. And this one's beautiful. There's 2 little flaws that I'm going to find for you, and that's all I can find on the entire bike. So as we start to go around, let's start with the front fender here. Here's one of them, right there. Itty bitty chip. The fender's really nice. Here's the other one, if you can see it. There's a slight dent and a couple of little scratches here. That's it. The rest of the bike is perfect. You can see the tires are good, probably 50% or better. Come on around that gorgeous front end. I'm telling you, I love this bike. See how clean the rims are. This other side here. All the controls are real nice. Kept indoors, garage kept its whole life. The other tins, nothing other than what I showed you already. So the stock horsepower on these was like 55, and with the motor built, it's probably 75-80 horse, so it's going to run a lot better than it originally did. You can see the seats and everything are in perfect condition. Look at all this chrome, it's absolutely gorgeous. And how can anyone ask for more than these bags, fringe bags, man? They are just beautiful. Fringe seat going on around. You gotta love the fishtail pipes. This gray color is gorgeous with the black and red. Again, coming on around here. Here's the back tire for you. Again, probably 50% on tires. And on around. I can't say enough about these bikes. Through the years, this is the 3rd one that I've had. I had 2 previously. One was custom paint. They both did very well. See how nice these bags are. What more could you ask in a motorcycle than this? Don't need a tank. Again, not a mark on the tins other than what I just showed you. Beautiful. Had to work on those white walls some to bring them back. They look good, not perfect. Let's show you the miles here. And hopefully you can see that, 18,089. Now let's start this up for you. Make sure that we're in neutral, which we are. Stock pipes. Purring like a kitten. With that brand new motor, starting from scratch again, and the body's out. So, coming back around again, 1999 Harley Davidson Heritage Springer, famous Springer front end. There's not a lot of them out there, especially in this kind of condition. We're going to be at 14.9 on this beauty. 14.9. If you can find as nice a one, let me know. The bike is in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and you can reach me at my email, coachman11@gmail.com. COACHMAN number 11 at gmail.com. Come and get this beauty. It really needs a new owner. You take it to shows. Stunning.